Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to announce of start of a new topic, the new playlist. We are going to talk about astrology. I was not interested to do videos on astrology because there are a lot of channel talking about it. But when I keenly observed, they are only talking about predictions, overall prediction to Rasis. They give on daily basis, weekly basis, yearly basis, whenever there's a transit of certain or Rahu and Ketu or Jupiter, they keep on posting predictions generally. See, there are 120 crores of population and there are only 12 rashis. Okay, so it means that every 10 crore people will have the same predictions to know. This may be right to 10 to 15%, not more than that, because every person's horoscope, every person's birth chart will differ. Even if there's a birth of twin, there's a lot of different. So every horoscope will differ. So all these weekly predictions and monthly predictions are not right. And generally you will observe, I see many people watching it, but how many people see the exact predictions? That is why astrology is being criticized. Even this year when they started predicting in a TV channel saying that this year will be auspicious, other thing, that was a general prediction. When you go on general prediction, you have to see the planetary position of Pluto, Neptune and Uranus, where in Vedic astrology normally we don't consider these planets. As in a Panchang, there are two types of Panchang. One is your Vakya Panchang and another is your Tiruganidam. Tiruganidam is totally recorrected to the aspect scientific measurements. Okay, the Vakya Panchangam was just generally written by Maharishis at those period of time with whatever instrument they had, or they, I don't know what instrument they had, but however they calculated it. Okay, so in the same way there are method for mass production and a particular predictions. Okay, when you come for a particular person's prediction, Pluto is avoided because Pluto is the farthest planet from the Earth, which the vibes will be very low. So there are many things like this which I wanted to discuss in this playlist. We are not going to make any general predictions as of now. We are only going to see what is astrology is, and it's up to you to go to a well experienced astrologer or unexperienced astrologer, like other profession has a degree or something. This profession do not have any degree or something, except I think in Annamalai University there is a course for BA astrology. None other university teaches you. Okay, so people by practice or learning from institute come into this. uh, Things shown in television is, you know about it, I don't want to say anything on that. It's not true 100% because the astrologer do not have free hands to talk there. It can be edited. Sometime for their TRP there may be any there may be some corrections. So all these things happen. So you understand what is astrology is by seeing this video. Okay, it's an science tougher than physics and chemistry because it's an occult science where you have to calculate lot of things. By generally seeing your basic Rashi chart, you can't predict. There are so many 27 nakshatra in astrology with 12 Rashis, where 27 nakshatra is again divided into 108 pathas. You have yogas, you have karnas, you have tithi. So all these things mixed together, you have to analyze and then give a prediction. Only then the predictions will come true. There are also a lot of systems of reading a horoscope. You have to calculate the strength of the planet. Generally, people will say your sun is in Mool Trikot sign, or it's exalted sign. You will be having nice support from government, or father. You may get a government job, something like that. Astrologer easily predict that. But if your sun does not have power, or if your sun does not have the bulb, which we will see in Ashtavargam and other methods, if that is not there, the sun will not do any good for you. So in that way, you have to see lot of things, lot of analysis has to be done, and then prediction should be done. It's just not like just seeing one or two pages and just predicting it. Okay, so if you are interested, please keep watching these videos. We'll be updating whenever we get time. I'm not going to teach you. I'm going to share my knowledge, what I have on astrology with you, so you basically understand what astrology is, and then go to an astrologer so that you will get better prediction. Thank you. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button to get my regular updates. Thank you. Bye bye.